Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So we're at Walgreens to do a second haul. There's a lot more new deals that I wanted to show you guys and take advantage of myself. Still using those boosters. So the 5 off of 12, 5 off of 15, and 5 off of 20. So we are gonna go inside, try to pay as little as possible out of pocket and stock up on some amazing deals. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be doing a new giveaway for my 1-year YouTube anniversary. I'm so excited. It absolutely flew by. So on Sunday in my CVS haul video is where you guys will be able to enter. There are going to be multiple winners. I'm still putting together the gift baskets of what you guys are going to get. Gift cards, beauty products, you name it. So of course I will give you guys a little bit more information as it comes closer, but the giveaway opportunity will be in my Sunday CVS haul video for you guys to be able to enter. There are some amazing Ibotta rebates and deals going on this week. I did do an Ibotta haul that turned out absolutely amazing, as well as my CVS haul and Dollar General this week. So if you haven't checked out any of those videos, they will be linked at the end. Lots of good savings. Freebies this week all over the place. Some money makers using some different rebate apps, of course. So today we are going to be using the pggoodeveryday.com rebate. It's not an app. You do have to go to the website on your phone, but that way we can get our points back. I did try to do that beauty experience. Big tip on this. For the PG reward program, one of the new categories that you can cash out your points for is experiences. And there's a beauty button. So I clicked it, I submitted for it to get a free beauty experience, manicure, pedicure, something like that. Submitted it, put in the code, it sends you an email with the code. You go to the website, you just follow the instructions in the email, you put in the code. There was none available in my area, and I'm in Central Florida. So there's Orlando, there's Tampa, there's Daytona, couple big cities, right? And there was nothing within 25 miles. So trying to figure out if I can get my points back or what I can do to fix that situation, because there were nothing available. It is super new, so just be careful with that. I will post on my tab and everything, kind of a resolution whenever I figure that out. But I wanted to let you guys know, try to check your area in the beauty experiences to see if they even have anything available before you guys cash out for the beauty experience. So just a heads up on that. Without further ado, let's go inside and take advantage of more deals that Walgreens has to offer. Okay, so our first transaction, this is going to be using the $5 off a $12 purchase digital booster. So again, to find those boosters, they're probably already gone, but go to your coupon folder, click the household tab. That's where we found these digital boosters. I did post a new booster that's available for next week on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me yet, head over to Instagram, Bree the Coupon Queen. Follow me there so you can get the inside scoop on new rebates, new digital coupons, and things like that. So we are again going to do the Tide deal. Just can't pass up a freebie and a moneymaker on Tide. So we're going to grab 2 of the Tide liquids. They are $4.99 each. When you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 register reward. So we are going to grab 2 Tide liquids and 1 Tide Pods. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Tide Pods, and we have a $2 digital coupon for the Tide liquid. For the other Tide liquid, I'm going to use this $2 coupon from the July P&G. On Sunday, we are getting a new P&G coupon, the coupon inserts. So for this transaction, we will pay $3.97, get back a $5 register reward, making it free and a $1.03 moneymaker. For our second transaction, we are going to get some more laundry products. So this transaction, we're going to use the $5 off a $15 purchase-based digital coupon. We're going to grab some Gain. So they are $4.99. You can get the Gain Flings, or you can get the Gain Liquid. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Gain Liquid here. We're going to use this $2 digital coupon. Now I am going to also come over here and grab some of the Suavitel. So they are on sale this week, 3 for $6.99. Now, if you go to the website, suavitel.com, or you can just Google it, If your store has the 40-ounce included, you can use these 50-cent coupons. Some stores do have different sizes included. I have seen that. And this coupon is a limit of 4. So you can use 3 of these. That would take off $1.50, making this deal even better. So let's go ahead and grab 3 of these and add them to our cart. So the first haul, I didn't grab one of these, but I want to make sure I grab one now. So the Palmolive is an amazing deal this week. They are just $1.99. And there is this 50-cent digital coupon. Now, you're also going to submit your receipt to Swag Bucks. Get 28 Swag Bucks back, making your final cost for this just $1.21, which is amazing because a lot of times they'll have the really small ones, these guys, for 99 cents, and you're gonna get this huge one for just $1.21. So I don't think that's a bad deal. One more item to pick up to complete our second transaction. So the last item to complete this transaction is going to be getting some Bic Pens. So they're on sale this week, 2 for $3. These are also included if you want to get the black ones. And we have this $1 off 1 digital coupon, making it $2 for 2 or just $1 each. Great, great item to add. So let's go over the totals for our second scenario. So this is everything we're grabbing in our second transaction using the 5 off of 15 digital booster. Total for all these products will be $16.97. All the coupons are going to total $8.50 because we have the $2 digital, 50-cent digital, $1 digital, and the $5 purchase coupon. We are going to wind up paying $8.47 plus taxes for 7 items, or just $1.21 each, which is not a bad deal in my opinion for what we are grabbing. So let's go check out and see how these go. Another clearance update. These small Yankee candles are like 75% off, which is awesome. This one here is about 50% off. So check your candle section, see if there's any scents that you like that you guys can grab. More clearance, guys. Look, I am in the little household section. They have just for baby. All of this is 50% off. How freaking cute is that? I can't even. That's so freaking cute. Oh, look at this one, little duck feet. Oh, that's great. And it's 50% off. So many of these items. Really cute little memory book down here. They have now some like bath and body products half off. So if you're wanting any filler items or anything, some garden products here, some household products. There are some succulents that you can grow for a growing kit. Great, great deals that you can grab for half off. Another great clearance deal, you can grab this for just $5.99 for the Shea Moisture. It is the hand and body scrub, so you can submit this to Swag Bucks for $2 back if you haven't yet, and Checkout 51 for $2 back, giving you back $4, making this big guy just $1.99. If you're new to Swag Bucks or Checkout 51, check below in the description box for my referral codes. So for our last transaction, we are going to use this $5 off a $20 purchase digital coupon. So we're going to get some Dixie plates. They're not tagged for some reason, but they are buy one, get one free. So we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. They're $3.99 each. If you have an old digital for $1 off 2, that would make it $2.99 for 2. Or you can print a 75-cent off 1 coupon from the Dixie.com website. So either way, it's a great deal. Let's go ahead and add these to our cart. We're gonna get some Revlon again. We're gonna get the lip balm. They are buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So I'm gonna make sure the register reward machine is working this time because we have a spend booster for next week. So I really want them to work. That way I can use the register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket cost. Another deal I'm gonna get, there was a lot of people in the aisle, so I didn't want to video with them, but this Gillette Sensor 3 is $7.99 this week. Buy 1, get a $3 register reward. So grab this. And in the $6.28 Retail Me Not, we had a $4 coupon.
There's also the $3 digital I used last time, but this is gonna take off more. So we're gonna pay $3.99, get back the $3 register reward for buying one, making it just 99 cents. I know a lot of you had said the register rewards for this are not printing, so fingers crossed that it does print today. And some of my subscribers mentioned that there is a $5 coupon, which I couldn't find. So if you have a $5 coupon, that would make it completely free. So this is everything in our last transaction. This is gonna be using the 5 off of a $20 purchase digital coupon or digital booster. Total for all of these products is going to be $21.96. We don't have any coupons for the Revlon. If you have the $1 digital or 75-cent printable, and I have a $4 coupon for this. So that'll take off $9.75 because you're including that $5 purchase coupon. You'll pay $12.21 plus taxes. I am going to use $10 in points, get back a $5 register reward for this deal and a $3 register reward for this deal, making your final cost $4.21 for 5 items or just 84 cents each, which is definitely a great scenario.
Okay, so we're back in from Walgreens. I'm like super flushed. Those masks make me sweat so much and break out. I did my 3 transactions. All of my coupons came off. I even had a $1 Dixie digital coupon, which I didn't even realize that I still had because I don't get good service in this Walgreens, so I couldn't like scan it and check it. So I just kind of wished for the best and crossed my fingers and checked out. Bummer though, the register rewards machines on all the registers were down. 3 of the registers were down, so kind of a mess. I'm not really sure if this is affecting a bunch of different Walgreens or if it just kind of something happened with the store. Maybe there was like a lightning storm that kind of short-circuited some stuff. Not really sure. So I want to go through all of my receipts with you guys and give you a quick update. Well, looks like I did it again and I lost a receipt within 5 minutes. I don't understand how I do that. That is crazy. So anyway, when I was checking out, there was a new manager there. I've never seen her before. And she was like, oh, I saw you videotaping. We have a media policy. Like, you need to call corporate and get permission and all this kind of stuff. And I was like, if I was videotaping people, you know, I understand because you need to get their permission to be on camera, things like that. I understand that. I was like, I'm just taking photos and videotaping the deal itself. Like, no one's in the video camera. I can show you them. Like, I don't know. I think she was just a new manager. She was like giving me a hard time. I'm like, whatever. I don't have time for it or the patience today. So we just went ahead and moved right along. So I can show you guys my first transaction. I did the Tide again. The digitals came off. The 5 off 12 came off. I paid $3.97. Used 4,000 points because that way it took care of some of the taxes as well. Paid 62 cents again out of pocket, which is great. The $5 register reward didn't print, so they just went ahead and gave me the points back. I really wanted those register rewards though because we have a spend booster for next week and you need register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket costs. So hopefully next week some things will be fixed and we can put together some deals next week that we can do first to get some register rewards back. So fingers crossed. And then this is my last deal. The second transaction is the one that I can't find for some reason. So the 2 Dixie plates, buy one, get one, the Gillette and the Revlon. The $5 purchase-based booster came off. The $4 Gillette that I gave her the paper coupon came off. And the surprise $1 digital that I had, which is awesome. So I did use $10 in points, paid $3.06 out of pocket for this transaction. And then she had to give me back the 5,000 points for the Revlon deal and 3,000 points for the Gillette deal. So bummer on the register rewards not working. I really wanted those to work. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time.